how do you cry? How do you raise your concerns? As a weak people, as poor people, how do you raise our concerns? So sikwazile ke ukuthi nathi eke sikhulume ukuthi ngeaddress nation iphinde ngimatshene abantu ukuthi uma ngabe kuphela 3 days singakwazi ukuthi ubaba akhululeke ejele sizohamba sisebenza ilungelo lethu. Mina ngizwe umlando komthulu ngizoyolala le esikhotho ngaphandle ngitoyitoyela ukuthi kuze kuphume ubaba nelalo laphalele khona. Yiloko kuphela mina ngishilo. Akekho noyedwa umuntu engingamthuma mina ukuthi akashisa izitolo akenze ukuthi abantu bathe udlamela kwaZulu Natal leko kwenzeka kopholokwane kubizwa ngani. Abantu basepholokwane bayakhala bayifunde ndoda. Abantu bale ko Cape Town kade bengifonela bathi tata Ndive bengazi ukuthi mina ngutata Ndive. Bathi tata Ndive uzanini kapho sawo ukuthi mhlekazi hapha koKapa izapha koKapa siyakudinga tata Ndive. Njengamanje my people, my fellow South Africans, now is the time we need to change the country now. We need to correct the history now. We need Zuma out of jail now. We need economical freedom now. Joba ngisho nje.